Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. The thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can open it by pressing and holding the menu button. Once the menu opens, you should see the watch face option. Tap on it to open the watch face menu. And here by default you will have only one watch face, but you can select this option, add new. It will open the list of watch faces, and here you can scroll through the list, find the watch face you like, and once you find it you can press the start button to add it to the watch face menu. And now we have two watch faces on the list, as you can see. So you can find the watch face you like, press the start button, select apply and press the start button again, and the watch face will be applied. You can also customize the watch faces. So if we open the watch face menu, select the watch face you like, and instead of selecting apply, you can scroll down, and here we have data, accent color and data color. Basically things we can customize, and you can tap on them, and here we can change the type of data. Oh no, we can select the widget. As you can see, we have different widgets on the watch face. We can select it, then tap on it and change it to something else. And then you can do it for all of the widgets on the watch face. So you can customize it to your liking. And then you can press the start button. No, not start button, my bad. Back button to go back. Next we have the accent color. And so here we can basically change the color of the accents. And then you can press the start button, and the data color is color of the data, so the widgets basically. And then you can press the start button. You can also remove the watch face if you like to by pressing delete, but if you want to apply your changes, your customizations, my bad, select the apply, press the start or tap on it, and it will be applied. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.